Skill number 4, direct quotation. You may use direct quotations if you want to save the exact wording of a text passage. I am going to select or use the second document or reference in our collection here, and then I'm going to view it on a full screen mode. I am going to scroll down the document, most probably the logical page number 4. The logical page number 4 is actually page number 22 within the document page numbering system, or it is called the physical page number. And then I am going to select this section or this passage over here, and then I'm going to click on the direct quotation icon, or it is called blue highlight, and then a window pops up. The core statement is the first few words from the selected segments or passage, but the text is a word-by-word copy from the selected passage. I am now going to give my own core statements named as performance beyond expectation. And then I'm also going to enter the physical page number, which is page number 22. And I should also not forget to enclose the direct quotation, which is a word-to-word copy. I should enclose it using the upper quotation marks. And then I click on the OK button. Now you see that the passage is highlighted and it is a blue highlight. You can see the color blue. I click on the quotations and comments tab found in the middle pane, and I see that my direct quotation has been saved, and it has actually been saved as a knowledge item. When I click on the arrow, a window pops up, and this enables me to make changes or edit my direct quotation. If you look at the right-hand side or the preview pane, you will see that I have a view of the first page of the document. And if I want to go directly to the page where this particular direct quotation or the blue highlight is located, I will click on the Show in PDF icon found at the top, and then when I click on it, it takes me directly to page number 4 or logical page number 4. There I found my blue highlight or the direct quotation.